place is comfortable for you. An exercise you can do is to see yourself as you are sitting in front of a rock, or sitting in front of another person, however you wish to do it. That you in your imagination allow yourself to begin to see in your mind's eye this one single particle going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, so quickly that you see it actually building up all of the different atoms in you and in the other object or person you are looking at. Back and forth until you are both flickering so fast that it appears you are actually two solid things. The more you practice this visualization, the more you will begin to actually identify with more and more things in creation, because you will truly understand you are actually all made out of the same one thing. And as you begin to do this, and as you begin to practice this more and more in a relaxed state, in an open state, and really breathe this in and make it your own, however you wish to do it, then you will begin to see other effects begin to happen in your lives. You will start to unlock your point of view on existence, on creation, on physical reality. You will start to experience different kinds of things. You may suddenly have a sensation that nothing around you is real. It may suddenly look very flat, like what you call a fake movie set. It may, on the other hand, suddenly begin to glow more brightly. It may take on all sorts of different qualities, but what all of those effects simply mean is you are starting to see, truly see with the inner eye, the inner sight, truly see the universe for what it is, the multiverse for what it is, creation for what it is. One and the same thing that only exists now, and that all things coexist simultaneously. You will begin to expand this ability out and out and out and out to begin to include more and more and more of all the things in creation. When you look at the stars, you will then know. You will then feel and know that all of the atoms in that star are all made out of the same one particle. You are made. Let you